Hello everyone! Now we will start online Japanese culture lesson 12. The topic of this lesson is the events in December. Let's see what words are often used this month. What events are taking place in December in your country? There is a Ōmisoka, New Year's Eve in Japan. Ōmisoka, Ōmisoka. Ōmisoka is the last day of the year, December 31st. Is there a special way to call December 31st in your country? Let's see what Japanese people do on Ōmisoka. Firstly, on New Year's Eve, Japanese people eat toshikoshi soba, year-crossing soba. Toshikoshi soba, toshikoshi soba. Toshikoshi soba is a type of buckwheat noodles that people eat on New Year's Eve as a good luck. Since buckwheat noodles break easily, associating with the meaning of cut the bad out of this year. People have been eating soba noodles since the Edo period, about 400 years ago. Do you eat something special on the last day of the year in your country? On New Year's Eve, Japanese people go to temple to ring the bell, Joya no Kane, bells ringing out the old year. Joya no Kane, Joya no Kane. Firstly, Joya means night on New Year's Eve, December 31st. This bell is located in the temple, and on New Year's Eve, December 31st, it can be rung after midnight. This is one of the most important annual events in Japanese Buddhism during the end of the year and New Year holidays. Many Buddhist temples ring their bells on New Year's Eve 108 times the number of earthly desires. What do you do at the end of the year in your country? Here are some old legends about New Year's Eve. There is a saying that going to bed early on New Year's Eve causes you gray hair and wrinkles. It is said that on New Year's Day, January 1st, the god of the new year comes to the house who guards the year. So it has been a custom to stay awake for a whole night to greet God on New Year's Eve. It is called toshigomori. Meanwhile, people say that if you sleep on New Year's Eve, you will not be able to greet the gods at the beginning of the year. So you will look old with gray hairs and wrinkles. There is also this saying, don't do thorough cleaning on New Year's Eve. At the end of the year, many people are thinking about putting things in order in the house to start the new year with a clean environment. But it is said that you shouldn't do thorough house cleaning on December 31st and January 1st. This is due to the saying that cleaning on New Year's Eve is considered disrespectful to the god of the new year, who will go to your house on the first day of the new year. It is also said that if you do a thorough cleaning on the first day of New Year, you will also clean out of New Year's good luck. Is there any saying on New Year in your country? Here is the summary for this lesson. I introduced the events in December. Let's read often used words together again. Ōmisoka, toshikoshi soba, joya, joya no kane. Ōmisoka ni hayaku neru to shiraga ya shiwa ga fuieru. Ōmisoka ni osouji o shite wa ikenai. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you very much.